So the first step you need to create a new background is to create a new document. To do that, simply hold down Ctrl plus the N key on your keyboard and this dialog box will appear. You can simply select a format you prefer, so you can just select this template over here, change it from inches to pixels or whatever you prefer, set your dimensions, leave it at RGB color and just hit create, and automatically we've created this background over here in Photoshop. If you come over here, you can now see this layer that says background. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to change your background color in Photoshop. To change your background color, simply come over here and deselect this lock screen. Come over to this color thumbnail over here and double tap on it. And come over to color overlay and select color overlay and hit the plus sign over here. And come over to this color over here and select whichever color you prefer. I'm going to go with light blue and hit OK. And hit OK once more. And now you can see that we have successfully changed the color of our background.